Good morning. It's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button somewhere up there. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Good morning. If I look horribly tired, I am. Oh, y'all. It's just, life. I'm so tired and I'm feeling it. Like I'm feeling tired. I couldn't wait to go to bed yesterday, and then I woke up going, ugh. But I've been working all morning on stuff. Like I've been cleaning my house and making chicken stock and a bunch of other stuff. So anyway, it was time to get back to the she shop and get some work done. Remember the chairs that I tried that rust shop stuff on? Well, they finally got painted now. And it's time to get them reupholstered, get them into the shop. They're so cute. They're cute little ice cream chairs. One problem. I'm the problem. It's me. Hi, I'm the problem. It's me. I painted them and didn't take there's a screw right here in this chair, and we're a screw at the bottom, and on the other one there's one screw in that one too, and I've painted them in. I can't get them out. But my husband said they're the same size as my drill, my quick bit on my drill, so I should be able to get the screws out without doing too much damage. We are going to finish these chairs, but it may be a multi-day process. So if you guys been following me for a while, you'll know that I went to a thrift store and I picked up these seat bottoms a long time ago. They are, in fact, the perfect size for that chair. So when I picked them up, I did receive some comments about, not picking up things I didn't need. It wasn't from you guys. It was from my family. And I said, I don't see these all the time. I pick them up because I know I'm going to need them eventually. Here we are. And then I have these wood discs that I picked up at Menards. So these are their edge glue pine. I think they sell them for tabletops and stuff like that. It's just a round, and it's like the perfect size for the back after you get the upholstery stuff on it, because you have to leave room. You have to leave a gap for your padding and things like that. We're going to actually end up stapling it along the edge. So the back is clean and the front is clean. So these are, I think, 11-inch rounds, which they look like they're floating in there, but they're going to be perfect. Now that I say that, it's like the gods of DIY are going, you'll see. I've never done an ice cream parlor chair like this before. So this is the first. So the only time I've done the ice cream parlor chairs, they've already had like a back of some kind. This is the first time I'm doing something where I have to upholster both sides. But we're going to do it. We're going to do it. And I've got the seat bottoms, so they're ready to go. I'm going to pick a fabric. Oh, y'all. That's where things start to fall down for me. I have so many cute fabrics. Oh, oh, oh. I think I have... No, I put it away finally. I've picked up so many adorable fabrics that the hardest part is going to be picking a fabric for this, because I start to get a little manic because I'm trying to figure out what a customer is going to want. Now, if you're doing this for yourself, you're going to know what you want, right? I'm trying to think of what you want as a customer. It ain't easy. It ain't easy. But let's find out if my husband's theory on this is going to actually pan out. Let me find my quick release bit. And I think it might still be in the drill. Get the drill ready to go and give it a try. Okay. So I couldn't find my quick release bit. And then my little stupid brain went, couldn't I just tighten the drill down on it? Turns out I can. And it came out. So sometimes my brain works independently of me. Oh, I'm so glad to have that out. All right. I was worried. Let's do it again. So I'm just going to tighten this. You can't see. You can't see. Hang on. So I just have my drill, right? And it's open chuck. And then we've got our little hex head here. And I'm going to take this and tighten it down on the hex head. Oh, not tightening. Went the wrong way, Stacy. Right. Works. Actually, that broke that one. Oh, well, it fell on the floor somewhere. This is why we wear shoes in the shoe shop. Always. All right. Now that little rusty guy is out of there. Let's do the other one. And this one has one right here with the same issue. Nope. What's going on there? This one is a little more beat up than it. Of course, there's always one, right? Damn it. There's always one. That's the one. Let's see. How about a hammer? I had a hammer. I'm in a singing mood today, evidently. Upholstery hammer. Darn it. Yeah, that one's rusted in there and it does not want to come out. Let's see. Let me come up with a solution here. I just hammered on it for like 10 minutes and it just goes away. All right, so that's out now. Yay! Now comes the hard part. Upholstery. Picking upholstery. I'll be honest, I thought this was going to take longer. All right, I'm going to go pick upholstery. But for all the naysayers who are like, why would you buy that when you don't need it? That's why. It's the perfect size for these chairs. I have two chair bottoms, 2 chairs. Yes, yes, yes. This was a great investment. It already has the padding on it. This is actually in good shape, so I'm going to upholster over it instead of taking this off. Because I can feel it. It's nice and cushy, and it's like, to heck with it. We're going to clean it. And you know what? I could even just use some leather paint on this. I'm not gonna. Stop thinking, Stacy. Stop thinking. We're going to upholster because we have the back. So now here is the round and how it sits in here. So if I set it directly on the metal, it looks too small. But if we raise it up, try and center it in there, but I'm not really good at doing that from an angle. It's just enough for the screws to hold, and then we've got enough room for our upholstery around it. At least in my mind, this is gonna work. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. Be positive, guys. So, hang on. So when I was working on the tabletop the other day, Donna from Distressed Donna had asked, what would you have done? Like, how do you remove it if the, what do you call it? Resin top didn't work. And I said, I never think about it. I don't think about it not working. And maybe that's why I do so many new things, because I, honest to God, never think about it's not going to work. Like, I'm sure it's going to work. Sometimes it doesn't. You're right. Sometimes it doesn't. And I learn from it and we move on. And I can't go into a project thinking, what if this doesn't work? Or I'd never do it. You know what I mean? So I think if you're struggling with that, like if you're thinking, what is it? What if this doesn't work? What if this doesn't work? You just gotta do it anyway. Feel the fear, do it anyway. Jump in, both feet first. That's 90% of what I do is just, I have no idea what I'm doing. Do it anyway. We're going to jump in and we're going to try it. I mean, there's a reason why they got it in the DIY section, right? Like, I should be able to DIY it. But, yeah, there was no backup to that plan. My plan, if it didn't work, was to figure it out if it didn't work. Like, that's usually when I go, oh, what do I do now? But I never have a backup plan. I just assume it's going to work until it doesn't. And that's how you get through. This life advice for you. Okay, I made my choice. It is a 2004, where is it from? American Folk Fabric. I don't think we've used this one before. Have we used this one before? I don't remember it. Floral and stripe. I don't love the stripe. I hate a pull string stripe. Not my favorite, but I have it. I just think this is probably the best option for these chairs because it's very girly, very feminine, which, you know, these little ice cream chairs usually tend to go in a she shop or something like that where, you know, men aren't looking at these chairs and going, yeah, that's what I want in my house. It's usually the woman. So we're going to appeal to our demographic and go with the pink florally stripes. My schedule has just been changed and upheaved. So this is going to be a very short video for today. I now have to take a drive into St. Cloud. My kid wants to go to the lake for the weekend. My mother-in-law is being gracious enough to meet me in St. Cloud so I don't have to go all the way to the lake and bring her home again on Sunday, which, thank you, Nancy. Thank you. Because it really cuts into my time having to drive to pick her up. But I told her when we go to St. Cloud, they just opened a Ross store there. I told her we'd do a little back to school shopping. So we're going to abruptly leave. Not for any reason, just my husband is not feeling well and he's not able to go to the lake this weekend. So she still wants to go. And I'm like, I can go to St. Cloud if Grandma wants to meet us there. So she's graciously agreed to that. And I'm so thankful. Because Victoria was bored and really there's this picnic this weekend and she'd be missing it. So thanks for that. But I think this is going to be our option for upholstery. We'll get started on the upholstery in the next one. And then I did some measuring. And this is too small. So I'm going to have to cut at least a 1/2 inch larger size circle. They don't have 10.5 inch and 11 is too big. It's so frustrating, but I have no other solution. So my solution is I'll have to cut my own rounds. I have to figure out how I'm going to do. I'm terrible at cutting circles. Terrible. And I don't want it to be wonky. So maybe I can con my husband if he's feeling better into doing it for me because he's actually really good at cutting shapes. So I pulled the tape off, but this is my choice and we're going to get started on these ice cream chairs and that's going to be the next project that we tackle. So thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.